As preparations for the storm continue, electric companies monitoring the storm and then making response plans as needed. Cecily Stout is in studio to tell us how they hope to keep your lights on and also how they hope to keep you safe.
Yes, Frank, I spoke with Georgia Power and Flint Energy about what they're doing to prepare for the storm tomorrow, how they plan to respond, and tips if people go through a power outage. One of the most common weather damages we see are power lines going down. Andrew Vickery emphasized the danger of the power lines after severe weather.
If you do experience severe weather, after a storm, we want to encourage people or urge people never to touch any downed or low hanging wires, never pull limbs off of down lines or enter areas with debris or downed lines, and don't walk or drive through areas with standing water where there may be down lines.
So it's essential that everyone puts safety first the next few days. Back to you guys.
All right, Cecily, thanks very much. Both Georgia Power and Flint Energy have ways to report outages. You can report an outage on their website or you can call them.